Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a floral typography poster in Photoshop. So what you have to do is you need to go into File, New, and for this one I'm going to be doing 2000 by 2000. And the resolution is going to be 300 and create. So you have this canvas over here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to fill this up with a solid color. Let me say it's going to be black. Alright, and I'm going to bring up the flower into the center. Maybe a bit big. I'm gonna rename this to Floral. Alright, so now I'm gonna bring up the text. For the text size I'm gonna go with 45 and I'm gonna type in L, or actually increase the size of the text because it'll be 65. That should be good. Or maybe a bit big. Let me see. That should do it. 94. Alright, let me just put it over there, and I'm gonna make a duplicate layer of that. Just gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna do O, and I'm gonna duplicate that layer. You can just do it by Control J. I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm just gonna type in V, and for the next one I'm gonna duplicate and just put it over here or something like that, and I'm gonna type in E, and that looks good. Alright, so now we're gonna bring up the like the outline thing. So I'm just gonna do the stroke and put it on white. Let me see, that should do it. Okay, so yeah, now let's work on the letters. So what you have to do is I'm just gonna convert this to Smart Object and then convert that to and then rasterize the layer. So you have this one rasterized. So now you need to go into opacity and lower down that one, so you can see what you can erase it out. So I'm just gonna bring up my eraser tool, and I'm gonna maybe, let's see, what do I do? Okay, let's do the flowers. Okay, so now we can increase the opacity, so it looks like that. So it goes above the letters. And now for the O, we're gonna do the same thing, convert to Smart Object and then rasterize it. Alright, now I'm gonna reduce the opacity. Alright, so we have the letters done. Now we're gonna do with the outline that we did. I'm just gonna adjust the size of this a bit. Bring it like that. Bring it close to this one. Close to this one. Maybe like that. But that looks good. That should be okay, I guess. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, that is good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert to smart object and then do the rasterize layer thing again, and we're gonna reduce the opacity, and we're gonna erase these things out. Alright, so that should look good, and we're gonna increase the opacity, and that actually looks good. So you can either keep it black, like the black background, or you can change to another color if you want. So what I have in mind, which I've already done, is I have a preset done in here. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna change the background to like blue or something like that. Let me check that one. Okay, so let's see. It's gonna be almost like this one. I guess so. I'll just copy the I can give you guys the hex code of this one. So it's 00D8 double F. So I'm just gonna copy that and do it over here too. Paste that, and there you go. That's how it looks. And for the final part, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna make like a drop shadow thing. So before that, I'm just gonna just group all of these layers by Control E, and I'm just gonna do the drop shadow. Looks good. Alright, that looks good. Okay, so now for the final part, I'm just gonna do this. So it looks pretty good. Do this like that. And yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. And so I'll give you guys the PSD file of this one in the description box down below, so you can just download that. And yeah, and thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe, and peace. I'm out.